Welcome to Makeup 360. Today I'm going to create this Eid night look with just one brush. And this is a very simple look. You can create it on Eid night. I am using e.l.f. blending eye brush. And I'm going to prime my eyes with Maybelline Master Concealer. And going to set my eye with Fit Me Maybelline Press Powder. It will help to stay your eye makeup a little longer. And then with the same brush, I'm using Huda Beauty's Nude Eye Palette, and I am giving a lighter shade of pink on the outer edge. So is just on my outer edge, and now I'm giving little darker shade in the inner edge. And you need a good blending as well. So I'm using the same brush. So that's it. You can see that how much blended it is. Now I'm using the same palette nude color, and then I will use a metallic shade of pink with the same Huda Beauty palette. I'm using finger for all those colors, so you don't need to use a brush. And last, I'm applying the glitter shade from the same palette. I'm using NYX liquid liner, and I'm going to create a thin wing liner. I'm also going to create an inner wing. So for that, I'm using a pen liner. It's not an ink liner, it's a pen liner. From the lower waterline to it outward. And that's it. So next step is creating a aqua look on my lower waterline. So I'm using Essence eyeliner pencil. I'm using it on my lower waterline, inner and outer, both sides. And it's time to apply my lashes and little bit highlighter. And that's it. So you can see how easy and how quick I create this look with just one brush. And you can try this on the Eid night. And if you try this, just let me know in the comment box. And do subscribe and do like this video. See you. Stay tuned. Goodbye.